Boy, that's some good coffee.
Sure is.
It just seems like we ought to have some place to put our cups when we're done.
I have a surprise for you.
You do?
Oh, yeah.
Do I have to move?
Yeah, you're gonna have to move.
Alright. You're just getting a board out from under the couch.
Yep.
Looks like a board with flat as could be.
It's wall art.
Well, it was just wall art with 2 X's.
But wait, there's more.
It's like 2 X's. Just hold one in and look at it. That's the way it should be.
High five.
The magic
Table.
coffee table.
Wow.
Louis, you just went right in front of the video, buddy.
Photobomb.
Louis. X marks the spot. Louis.